Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Settings and go to Personalization, then Colors. Make sure you're signed into an administrator account so changes apply system-wide. Toggle Transparency Effects on. This enables the base translucency engine that the Taskbar uses. Once done, keep settings open. You'll adjust accent and background next. If the toggle is grayed out, make sure Focus Assist or Battery Saver isn't limiting effects. Disable those briefly. These steps prepare Windows to accept taskbar transparency changes immediately. Now refine how the transparent taskbar looks. Choose an accent color and check Show Accent Color on Start, Taskbar, and Action Center so color blends through. Switch between light and dark app mode to improve contrast and legibility. Transparent effects respond differently to each mode. Change your desktop background to a higher contrast image or a subtle gradient. The taskbar translucency will pick up that image, so simpler wallpapers reduce visual noise. Make incremental changes and observe the taskbar to find the best balance. Finish by applying all changes, and if the taskbar doesn't update, restart Windows Explorer. Open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, right-click Restart. If you want stronger transparency than Windows offers, consider reputable third-party tools, but be cautious and back up settings first. If transparency still fails, update GPU drivers and install pending Windows updates, then reboot. One key troubleshooting tip: corrupted theme files or a locked registry value can block effects. Create a restore point and revert theme or run sfc/scano before making registry edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.